Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my earlier video, I talked about the book list and the sources you have to refer for the prelims examination 2025. And in this video, I am going to talk about the sources which you have to follow for cracking the CSAT examination. As we all know that CSAT examination is one of the most crucial stage in this examination, so we can't neglect it. So let's not delay it, and let's refer sources for the CSAT examination that we have to follow. For the CSAT examination, one of the most important sources that I followed was the Arihant CSAT. This is very important book, firstly for the conceptual clarity, and for referring the formulas. Apart from this Arihant CSAT, I referred CDS Journey channel. Though it might sound weird to you that I referred CDS Journey channel, but as we all know that CDS examination is also conducted by the UPSC, so you can refer this channel. There is 6-hour video on this channel in which the teacher has explained the entire concepts in a very simple manner. If you will follow this video in one of the hardest topic like clocks and calendars, you will get easily sail through. And apart from this, I referred PYQs, previous year questions. Previous year question I referred thoroughly. I did previous year question from 2019 till 2023. I referred them again and again. Maybe I did them 10 to 12 times during my entire preparation journey, and this helped me to crack the CSAT examination with ease. And apart from PYQs, I gave 15 mock tests, and in these mock tests around 10 to 12 were sectional tests based on the units, and rest of the 3-4 were full length tests. And this was from Vision IAS. If you will go to their website, you will easily get this test series. Apart from these mock tests, I made my one formula notebook. Not only formula notebook, it was like I mentioned some concepts in these notebooks, and these concepts were those concepts which are frequently asked by UPSC in their examination. So I refer them again and again, and this helped me to score well in my CSAT examination. These formula and concepts notes I will be sharing it on my Telegram channel, that is @UPSC with me. You can subscribe this channel as well for further updates and notes that I will be sharing for the CSAT in this channel only. And one more thing, for the PYQs analysis, you can refer YouTube channel. Like there are many coaching institutes who have uploaded their PYQ analysis for the CSAT questions. For example, there are some difficult questions which sometimes we are not able to solve, so you can refer the solution for those questions and refer them and note down in your notebook and refer again and again for better understanding. And when UPSC will ask the same question based on same concept, so that you can able to solve that. So these was my strategy for the CSAT examination, and this helped me to clear my CSAT examination with a well average score. So I suggest you to follow all these sources for scoring well in the CSET examination. And it's my humble request to all of you that please don't neglect the CSET examination. It's a very crucial stage of the prelims examination. And so if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.